Thor Broadcast would like to present our top SDI to fiber. Here we have 5 professional-grade quality products. The first one is 4x directional SDI HDSDI over 1 fiber transceiver, 4ch bi-directional HDSDI plus external audio and 232 rupees per 422 485 control data over single fiber. The second unit is 4SDI HDSDI over 1 fiber mini extender, 4ch mini HDSDI fiber optic kit with aux-FM 4SDI transmitter and receiver set, transports 4 full HDSDI, SDSDI, or DVB-AC digital video over fiber. Provides return path minus 485 rupees in addition to aux port that optionally supports audio, minus 232 rupees per 422, or contact closure. The third one is 1-channel SD, HD 3G SDI fiber extender 1080p, 60 Hz. Up to 1080p, 60 Hz 3G SDI optical fiber extenders. It allows the transport of SDI, HDSDI, and 3G SDI over distances up to 20 km using single-mode fiber optic cable or 2,000 feet using multi-mode fiber, with your choice of LC, Street, or SC connectors. Street PC is standard, comparable to telecast rattlers. The fourth product is 8SD HDSDI plus Ethernet over single fiber transmission kit, 8 HDSDI plus analog audio plus 10 100ths Ethernet plus 422 rupees per 485 230 seconds data over single fiber. The fifth product is 8 SDI HDSDI over 1 fiber optical transmission multiplexer. 8ch HDSDI fiber kit with dual aux for analog audio or 422 rupees per 485 230 seconds data or contact closure. For more information about the products, please check the link in the description below the video. Thank you for watching.